Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be another makeup unboxing video. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I usually do like subscription boxes, but today I am unboxing a K-box. So today we're unboxing Stylevana makeup products. I've never tried these before and I'm really excited. So Stylevana is sponsoring today's video, but these are my own personal opinions and everything. I haven't been instructed to say anything. I just wanted to try out some of these products and see what's different. So Stylevana is bringing like Korean beauty and fashion and style to the US market, which I think is really interesting and I was intrigued by because it's different than what we normally do on this channel, and I want to try some different products. I find that when I look at like Korean beauty and stuff, it's not always the most flashy packaging like it is over here in the US, but sometimes the products are really innovative and like they're trying to do something different. So we were intrigued, and today we're going to box some stuff. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. The kisses. Okay, so we have our box here, and I have zero idea. I didn't want any idea of what's in here. I wanted to be like a first impressions, like let's see what they have to offer in here. I've been on their website just to kind of check it out. There's a lot of good fashion and stuff up there. It looks nice. They even have like winter stuff, which looks really cozy, but since I live in Florida, I've been trying to avoid winter clothes at all costs. But at the same time, like it is kind of chilly here today. Like it's a dreary day. So this is actually bubble wrapped really nicely. Anyone else find cutting bubble wrap really satisfying? So I'm just going to start pulling some stuff out and we'll see what they have to offer, what we got in this box. So this is April Skin. It says Black Magic Snow Cushion. That is so interesting. April Skin sounds nice. Black Magic Snow Crystal Cushion is like, it's a little bit intimidating. So this is in the shade 21, it looks like. Okay, so this is a little compact. It's a cute compact. It's got a little bit of paper from the box on it. But it's a cute compact. I like the sleek packaging. It's a little thick. And on the back it tells you the name again. Okay, so this is in here. They're like one of these little cushionies. I actually like saving these. Like I never store them in here. I like take them out and I save them on the side. And then let's see. Little seal. Oh, it's a cushion foundation. It's just black packaging. I think that's why it said it's black. But I'm going to go ahead and like, that's how you get the foundation on. It's a decent color for me. That's a decent color for me. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. It feels like a thicker, creamy kind of consistency. But I think if you want dewy skin, this is a nice option. It's a little bit thick, but just like a thick consistency, not thick feeling on the hand. You know, like it's just like a, it's kind of like a gel feeling a little bit. But it's a good color for me. You can't even tell it's there. Like that's a perfect color match for me. So this is the first thing. Let me put the cushion back in here. I'm actually excited about this. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to give you an update in a later video on how what I think about this, because I really want to try this on my face because it is so different. If you want a dedicated video on this, let me know. I'll certainly be happy to do it for you. Alright, next up in here, it says Stylevana. This is the Stylevana video. So this is the front. It doesn't tell me what it is. It says hashtag all nighter on the top. It is a multicolor eye palette. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. It is just a little 9-pan eyeshadow palette. These are all shimmers. They look like baked shimmers. They have like little individual like different little patterns on the inside. But it's a really nice neutral palette if you need a shimmer palette. So this is the next thing in the box. Alright, next up in here, this one actually has pictures on it. So this is an eyeliner. Just like a fine tip eyeliner. Has like a spring in the bottom and it has a good flow power, it says. So I'm not going to open up the eyeliner just because I don't want it to dry out on me if I don't use it all at once. But everyone needs a good eyeliner. I feel like that's a staple product in a lot of people's collection that, like someone like me, I forget to buy an eyeliner all the time, so I'm glad they come in like affordable options like these products. These are all affordable products. And like a lot of subscription boxes I get eyeliners a lot, so I never have to buy them. Next up, this is a NEOGEN Dermalogy sunscreen. It's a daylight protection sunscreen with SPF 50 in it. So it is intense defense against UVA and UVB rays. So this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. It feels very high-end on the box anyways. And let's see what the actual product looks like. And your girl doesn't want to be tan, so I am all about a sunscreen. Ooh, this packaging looks nice. Look. Ooh, this looks fancy. So this is what this looks like. Is there a seal on it? Yeah, there's a seal. I'm not going to break the seal because it is winter here. But we have a sunscreen with SPF 50, which is good. SPF 50 is something I would put on my face. I don't want to put anything really higher than that on my face. I don't know how I feel about that. But I would do like SPF everything else on my body. But 50 is the top I would do for my face. So we have a sunscreen. Alrighty, so on the side here, there's a little card that says Happy Holidays from Stylevana, which is really cute, as well as this headband. So let me get this headband out for you. Since it is December, we can be a little bit themed right here on the channel. Okay, so this is the headband. It has little antlers, like a little reindeer, so I'm going to wear this for you. So it can be a little bit festive for the end of the video. Oh, it matches my shirt and my eyeshadow. There we go. This is as festive as I'm going to get, because I'm not like the Christmas person, you know. Anyways, we have one more product in our little bundle here to talk about. So this is a Stylevana Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Rambling Rose. Let's see what this looks like. It's like a pen. It's like a pen. See? Isn't that unique? It's like a little pen. I am going to open this up. Go ahead and break a little seal on it. Ooh, it's bright. I mean, I guess you should have seen from the... Oh, I put it on the foundation. The foundation blends in so well I can't even tell you like where it is on my hand anymore. But this is the color of the lip tints. I actually think because it is a lip tint, not just a regular liquid lipstick, this wouldn't be as bright. So you could probably get away with wearing this and not be like super bold when you wear it. So this is the lip tint. Let's go over everything that we have to offer here. I did see some stuff on the website I was really intrigued by, so I might go back on Stylevana's website and like buy some stuff myself, because there was this little contour thing that had the cutest packaging in the world and I was all about it. So I might go up there myself and buy more of these products and review them for you, do like a full face. If you want to see that, please let me know. So firstly, we have a lip tint here, which is in the shade Rambling Rose, which is that color, very wearable. We have a sunscreen, which looks very luxurious and fancy. Like this looks high end. We have a little eyeliner here, which I had that stuck too. But the eyeliner, pretty standard eyeliner. I mean, black eyeliner is always a necessity. We also have a little shimmer eyeshadow palette. There are also a bunch of other eyeshadow palettes on their website, but this one is just all shimmers. And it's also travel friendly too. And we also have a cushion foundation. I really want to try this cushion foundation. Like, I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow just because the match is an absolute color. You can't even tell where it's at. It's such a perfect color match for me. And the consistency felt like kind of like a gel. Like a thicker gel consistency, but it glided on so smooth. Like, this part of my hand doesn't even have like pores or lines in it anymore. Like, this side doesn't have anything on it. This is the foundation side. I don't know if you can tell, but to me, the foundation just makes my skin look really smooth there. So I want to try this out. I'm intrigued and also mystified. I mean, magic snow cushion. It's a little bit magical looking on the hand anyways. I don't know about the face yet. So that is it for the Stylevana haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. There's so much like interesting stuff on their website, honestly. I'm one of those people who like goes on websites and like, ooh, that looks cool, ooh, that looks cool, looks cool, and goes on to the next website and, ooh, that looks cool, ooh, that looks cool. Like, I'm just that person. I love to like browse on websites and stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to buy anything from Stylevana, of course, you can use the code porcelain20 to save some money off, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.